You clicked on this video because you want to see the TV stand that I bought for my TV, and we'll get to that in 1 second. Real quick, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Parker. This is Parker's Properties. We talk a lot about real estate. I'm a property manager managing over $10 million worth of rental properties throughout the city that I live in. I'm also a real estate agent, so I love to talk about real estate, investing in real estate, etc. on this channel. If that is of any interest to you, I would recommend subscribing and seeing the future content to come out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now let's get into the actual TV stand construction. All right, so this TV stand was found on Amazon. It was one of the highest rated TV stands, and the reason we bought it is because we needed a TV stand long enough to fit our 70-inch TV. Now, 70 inches in terms of TV measurement is corner to corner, so it's like 61.5 inches long, so we needed a 70-inch long stand, if that makes sense. So you'll see me just kind of scrolling through on Amazon. You can pick different sizes, different textures, different colors. I'm doing all that on my screen. I clicked through the reviews. There's a lot of parts and pieces that you can see, but overall had really good reviews. So if you want to purchase this, I'm not going to get a commission or anything, but just wanted to do an honest review. Here. So you'll see you have all the packaged bolts and screws and all that stuff, and then you got all the laminated wood pieces. This project actually took me over 2 hours to build, so I'm not going to be doing a step-by-step video. This is kind of just what to expect if you buy it and what is it going to look like. I know sometimes pictures can be deceiving. So this is me assembling it, and as you'll see in a second, I really didn't have the motivation to do it all. This thing is going to take way longer than you will even want to watch on a time-lapse, and so for that reason, I'm not going to do a time-lapse. I'm just going to explain to you the kind of what we got going on, and then I'm just going to show you finished product. But you got huge TV, 70 inches, little stand. We need this long one set up. This is what we're looking at. If you're buying this, so far the parts look pretty quality. Again, I'll be able to give you a better idea of what it looks like once we're done. So again, no time-lapse, just going to freaking send it. Okay, so magically here it is, the finished product. Looks like I did it in, 2 minutes, but that's over 2 hours of hard work. It's got the swinging doors open on the side and then the glass shelf in the middle. Absolutely beautiful. I think it's a nice modern look to it, also quite minimalist, and it really stores a lot of stuff, a lot more than our old TV stand. So overall, would definitely recommend this product. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and click subscribe.